Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In today's episode, we will be learning how to turn on dark mode on LinkedIn. To enable or turn on the dark mode on LinkedIn, first of all, launch the LinkedIn app open on your mobile device, and once you're in the home page logged into your account, tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner. Soon after you tap on your profile icon, tap on the settings button at the bottom. In the settings menu, tap on Account Preference. Under Display, go ahead and tap on the Dark Mode option, and then from the list available, tap on Dark Mode. Right after you do that, it'll automatically change your white theme into a dark mode. You can now start enjoying the sleek, low-light interface on LinkedIn. Now it'll make you easier on your eyes, especially in low-light environment. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and professional networking guides. Stay tuned for more useful tips. Thank you for watching.